Yeah, Cherry Kia ora whānau, ko AZ tēnei. My name is AZ. I'm from Tokomaru Bay. I'm a musician, entertainer, slash half pie cook that people like to try my recipes. And, I brought up I posted a post today about New Zealand's plan to have us all vaccinated for the COVID. 70% of New Zealand vaccinated for the COVID virus. Whānau, I don't even know anyone personally that's even been sick of it. Like, if anyone out there has had a whānau member die of it and can legit say it was COVID, I'm not talking some elderly person, I'm not being stinky, but, the only cases I really heard of on the media were old people that, a common flu could have knocked them for six, I'm not keen on vaccinating myself nor my children. I was forced into it with their schooling. They wouldn't be enrolled if I didn't vaccinate them. So that's that thing. They try and tell you that vaccination is optional. It's not. Try and enroll your kids without a vaccination card and you'll find out it wasn't optional. So, I give thanks. I'm 1981. My mum actually denied all the vaccines. I haven't had measles, mumps, none of that. Nothing. Not hepatitis, not nothing. And I'm fairly healthy. Straight up. Any health issues I have are self-inflicted, unfortunately. But we should always have a choice, Auntie Jacinda. Like, real talk. I wonder whether we're blinded because you're young, you're smiley, you seem approachable, you had a baby with New Zealand, like, I wonder whether we're blinded by that and whether you're doing a good job. Because the rate of homelessness and that seems to be bigger than ever. I've never seen it this bad, and you've been at the helm for over 4 years now, isn't it? Is it 4 years? I'm not too sure. But you've been at the helm for a while now, and all I see is things keep getting worse. But we keep painting you in a nice picture, and you're a likable person. I even like the fact you like music. You used to be a bit of a DJ back in your day, apparently. So, you get my vote for that. I didn't vote, nor do I ever vote. I always feel like we're just given the best of the worst to vote for. No insult to yourself, but yeah, I'm wondering how good a Prime Minister you really are. At the end of the day, the only reason you're forcing your citizens to have to take a vaccination is because you can't stop the border of people who fly here. It's all about money. You won't stop COVID because you won't stop the airplanes. It's pretty simple, eh? If you shut off every country and made them deal with whatever cases they have till there are no cases, would be sweet. But you fellas can't handle the no cash coming in, so you keep opening the borders. And now we got super strains and stuff, and now we're having to vaccinate. I'm not keen, and judging by the people on my last post, no one's keen, so good luck with that. I'll be that 30% that you couldn't vaccinate me and my kids, and I don't care what that takes. They're probably going to threaten wages, your banks. They'll try and come at you any which way, fams. So be ready for it. Are you really down? Or are you just going to take the vaccination because it's the easy way? Think twice, stay sharp, stay woke. Eastside salute, Uncle AZ. Come on, Auntie Jacinda. We expect more.